I've been in Boise for about 20 years now, and I normally just go to the same spots that I usually go. But being able to explore more of the downtown area really opened my eyes to what Boise actually has to offer. The people and places here make anyone feel welcome.
One of my absolute favorite aspects of the Brews and Bites tour was the level of hospitality with not only everyone who worked at Indulge Boise, but with the hosts at the restaurants and bars too. I really got a sense they truly cared about my overall experience during the tour.
So I've been in Boise for about 3 years now and had no idea these breweries even existed. I'm not a huge fan on sours, but what Bree and James do at Barbarian Brewing is so amazing. It got me out of my comfort zone and allowed me to really open up my beer palate.